If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Landmark National Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the process and get your account verified. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have checked your email for any messages from Landmark National Bank. They may have sent you important information or instructions regarding your verification status. Step 2. Verify your information. Log into your Landmark National Bank account and review the information you provided during the verification process. Make sure all details such as your name, address, and identification are accurate and up to date. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide additional documentation. Be prepared to provide any additional documentation that may be required to complete your verification. This could include identification, proof of address, or other relevant documents. Follow the instructions given by customer support. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any required documents, wait for confirmation from Landmark National Bank. They will notify you once your verification is complete. This may take a few business days, so be patient during this process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider visiting a local branch for further assistance.